Hallo, this is my recipe, Spaghettieis. Zutaten, my ingredients, Vanilleeis, Erdbeer oder Himbeersauce, Weiß-Schokolade Raspelin oder geriebenen Weiß-Schokolade. Lagen Sie Knoblauchpresse für etwa 10 bis 15 Minuten in den Gefrierschrank. Now that we have the garlic press here, I'm going to put it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. Bewahren Sie die Erdbeersauce bis zum Gebrannt im Kühlschrank auf. While we wait this 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to get a drink of water. I'm pretty thirsty. I think the drink is almost ready. Geben Sie das Eis etwa 30 Sekunden lang in die Mikrowelle. Okay, I think the microwave's almost done, so I think we can take the ice cream. Wait. Oh, sorry, that's just Toll's house. Oops. Eis durch die Spaghettieis Scheiben. So we're gonna put the ice cream through the garlic press. Hold on. Hooray. That totally fits, guys. It's okay, guys, I'm not feeding it to anyone, so I'm gonna use my fingers and then I can lick them clean. This is actually a lot better than I expected. Sorry, Toll, I'm not speaking 100% German. Please don't give me an F. I'm gonna finish this up and I'll get back to you then. Erdbeersauce dabei gießen und die Weiß-Schokolade hinzufügen. As you can see, I forgot to freeze the plate. You're supposed to freeze the plate or else it melts everywhere, so I'm gonna have to finish this up really quick. So let's get our strawberry sauce, definitely not raspberry. Imagine that, grabbing the wrong one at the store. Couldn't be me. Gonna pour this around. I think that's pretty good. I don't have any Weiß Schokolade. But you know what I do have? I have some casa, so it'll be like I'm eating spaghetti. You know, I think this is gonna taste really good. I think it's gonna taste good. Let's dive in and have a bite. I'm gonna try it like spaghetti, and we're gonna eat it. I'm sorry, where are my manners? Bon appetit. This is really good. Before you ask if I ate it all, yes I did. I ate every of it, everything.